Did you know that nearly 90% of people don't get enough omega-3 fatty acids in their diet? Yup, that's right. It's a shocking statistic that should definitely grab your attention. So, let's dive into why omega-3s are essential for your health. So, what exactly are omega-3 fatty acids? These aren't just some fancy health buzzwords, they are crucial fats that play a huge role in keeping our bodies functioning at their best. From your heart to your brain, omega-3s contribute to overall health and well-being in ways you might not even realize. Today, we're going to explore why you need these little powerhouses in your life. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, let's talk about the problem. Research shows that many of us are lacking in omega-3s, and this deficiency can lead to some serious health issues. For example, low omega-3 intake has been linked to inflammation, which can exacerbate conditions like arthritis. And it doesn't stop there. Heart disease is another major concern. Omega-3s help lower triglycerides and blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. If our diets are deficient in these essential fatty acids, we're setting ourselves up for a whole host of problems. That's a pretty big deal, right? Exploration/development. Now, let's break down the different types of omega-3s, ALA, EPA, and DHA. ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid, is found mainly in plant sources like flax seeds and walnuts. Our bodies can convert ALA into EPA and DHA, but the process isn't super efficient. EPA and DHA are found primarily in fish and algae and are known for their incredible health benefits. EPA plays a significant role in reducing inflammation and improving heart health, while DHA is essential for brain function and mental health. Research even suggests that DHA can help improve mood and may play a role in reducing anxiety and depression. So, incorporating these omega-3s into your diet can have profound effects on both your body and mind. Climax/key moment. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. Recent studies have shown that omega-3 supplementation can lead to transformative effects on our health. For instance, one study found that individuals who took omega-3 supplements experienced significant reductions in their symptoms of depression and anxiety. Another study highlighted how omega-3s can improve cognitive function in older adults, potentially reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. These aren't just small studies either, they involve thousands of participants and offer compelling evidence that omega-3s should be a staple in our diets. Imagine boosting your mood, improving your heart health, and enhancing brain function all with one nutrient. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it all up, omega-3s are not just another trend, they are vital for maintaining good health. From reducing inflammation to supporting brain function and heart health, these fatty acids deserve a place on your plate. If you want to feel your best, it's time to start incorporating them into your daily routine. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you had any experiences with omega-3s? Maybe you've tried supplements or changed your diet to include more fatty fish? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're curious about other nutrition tips, make sure to check out my next video where we dive into the best sources of omega-3s and how to easily add them to your meals. Thanks for watching.